Manage your income to get rich, a financial plan for your future. You don't have to quit your job. You can live a rich life, build your own home, and buy your dream car with what you are doing right now. No, you don't need a magic wand or a lottery win. All you need is the right knowledge and the will to make a change. Are you tired of slogging through multiple jobs just to make ends meet? Do you wonder, no matter how much appraisal you get or how many jobs you do, you always end up out of money? Let me tell you, it's not the job nor the low pay that leaves you financially strained. It is poor wealth management. You can live a luxurious life even with your average $50,000 annual job. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy. It's a proven reality for countless individuals who have mastered the art of maximizing their income and managing their money wisely. But that will definitely be hard as we have been trapped in a money matrix. There is a grand conspiracy designed to keep us blind to the true potential of our finances. From an early age, society ingrains in us the belief that working harder and longer hours is the only path to success and financial security. We are led to believe that the more we work, the more we earn, and the happier and more fulfilled we'll be. But here's the shocking truth. The real power lies not in the number of hours we work, but in how we choose to spend the money we earn. We are purposely blinded to the art of money management, the ancient knowledge that would set us free from the chains of the money matrix. In this video, I will tell you the genuine path to financial freedom. No gimmicks, no side hustles, and no part-time jobs required. Number 1. Maintain the positive gap. Many people will try to dictate how you should budget, but remember, budgeting is subjective. You know your expenses best and what you can cut or keep. The key learning point is the goal of budgeting, maintaining the positive gap. So, what is the gap? The gap refers to the difference between what you earn, your income, and what you spend, your expenses, during a specific period, typically on a monthly basis. And the gap you want to create is the positive gap, meaning you want to earn more than you spend. That's a positive gap. Cool. But how to maintain it? Knowing where your money goes is powerful. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. We're not saying you can't have fun, but do you really need that third streaming service? Maybe cooking at home is just as tasty as eating out and saves you big bucks. Even for daily needs, look for discounts and use coupons to save on regular expenses. Use coupons for items you already need. Don't be tempted to buy something just because you have a coupon for it. Only use coupons for items that you actually need or want. Otherwise, you're just wasting money. Once you know how much you can cut down in a month, do a favor to yourself. Automate savings. Setting up automatic transfers to a separate savings account each time you receive your paycheck is a smart and effective strategy for saving money. Here's an extra tip. Define clear financial goals to stay motivated and focused on saving. Dream big, my friends. Whether it's a dream vacation, a new home, or retiring like a boss, set clear financial goals and watch that positive gap work its magic to get you there. Number 2. Quit borrowing. You know what's frustrating? Making tons of money and having none of it left. It's like money slips through your fingers and we can't figure out why. But here's the truth. We've given it all to a financial system that's designed to take it from us. Stay away from those shiny temptations that lead to debts. Pause, think, and prioritize your financial goals. Let's break it down. Here's why quitting borrowing is a game changer. Financial freedom. No more shackles of debt holding you back. You'll have the freedom to make financial decisions that align with our goals. No interest payments. Say goodbye to those pesky interest payments that eat away at our earnings. More money in our pockets. Help in money management. Without borrowing, you'll learn to manage our money wisely, making every dollar count. Emergency preparedness. Building up savings instead of relying on credit means you're prepared for life's unexpected curveballs. No more credit cards for impulse buys. No more loans for things you can save up for. The world of borrowing often lures us with promises of instant gratification. Whether it's credit cards, loans, or other forms of debt, the allure can be irresistible. However, beneath the surface lies a complex web of hidden costs that can trap us into a cycle of financial struggle. When we borrow, interest and fees become our unwelcome companions. What seems like a small interest rate can accumulate into a substantial burden over time. It's like watching a leak in our financial ship that slowly drowns us. Debt can also take a toll on our emotional well-being. The burden of payments and the fear of falling behind can weigh heavily on our minds. Don't borrow money to pay for things you can't afford. If you can't afford something, don't buy it. Stop surrendering your hard-earned cash and quit borrowing money. Period. For anything. For any reason. Number 3. Invest in assets. As the saying goes, as you sow, so shall you reap. Let's plant those seeds and watch our wealth grow. If you plant corn, don't be shocked if corn grows. Similarly, if you plant money, yeah, you know. Investing is the engine that drives wealth creation. While saving money is essential, it's through smart investments that your money has the potential to grow significantly. Imagine your money working for you while you sleep. That's the power of investments. But where to invest? Invest in assets. Prioritize investments that generate income and build wealth over time. Unlike the uncertain sands of speculation, assets are tangible and have intrinsic value. They're like sturdy pillars that support our wealth-building journey, providing stability and growth. One of the fundamental principles of investment as a part of wealth management is assets over liabilities. As your income grows, it's essential to avoid falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Instead of increasing expenses with every raise, consider allocating a significant portion of additional income towards building assets and reducing debts. Before making any investment decisions, we invite you to watch our video, Master 5 Rules of Investment, a secret that the rich don't want you to know. Increasing your net worth begins with focusing on building and growing your assets. Start by saving a portion of your income and investing wisely in assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The power of compound interest can significantly boost your assets over time. Also, establishing an emergency fund is a critical step in safeguarding your net worth. This fund acts as a safety net during unexpected financial setbacks, reducing the need to dip into investments or accumulate more debt in times of crisis. Conclusion: remember, building wealth is a journey, and it starts with managing your income wisely. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with one step and take control of your financial future. You now have the tools to manage your income wisely and create a solid financial plan for your future. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and enjoy the process of becoming financially independent. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want more valuable tips on managing your money and building wealth, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling toward your financial dreams.